Hello, it's Stu Sensei here once again to hit you up with today's English phrase. Actually, there's two, because today we're going to look at some opposites. First phrase is optimistic. Second phrase is pessimistic. So these two phrases are opposites. The first phrase, optimistic, means when you have a positive outlook about something, when you have big hopes for the future and you see everything in a positive way. Pessimistic is the opposite. It means when you see the worst in everything that's about to happen. You don't think something good will happen. It's always in the negative. A good example of this is from most movies you watch, where the hero is usually super optimistic and the villain is usually super pessimistic in the long run. So, those are my examples. I hope this is useful for you and I look forward to seeing you next time. Ciao!